Are you gonna color?
Okay.
This side? Okay, here. Here, will you use the purple?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Here, I'll fix this.
Okay.
This way, like this.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
You coloring?
Yeah. In there.
In the middle there. Color her nose.
Mm.
Yeah.
No.
Her eye?
Hi.
Okay. No, no. Yeah, Dad's gonna do it. You color for me, please. What? Do you remember?
No.
Camera. It's in the toy box somewhere.
Oh, you want your camera?
I should get her one of those ones for little kids so she can beat up.